Here's the gorgeous new Porsche 911 Carrera T. So this is exactly how I'd order it. Alright, let's see. So this is Python green. Okay. Let's see, racing yellow. That's kind of nice. Then they got shark blue, gentian blue metallic. I think I'll go with Python green. I love that. I wish we could get this in lizard green. That'd look pretty cool. Okay, custom green. Let's see what we can do. Disable. I don't know how to do that right now. Quite like the Python green. Don't need PTS. Let's go with these. I've seen a 50th anniversary 911 that rocks these. These are just gorgeous. Can we do a color on them though? Let's see. Okay, if we could do black rims. Oh, those are clean. It's the exclusive manufacturer, so hopefully not many people have those. Lost those wheels I wanted up here though, but lost these, but oh well. Okay, wheel accessories. Interior. Yeah, let's go with the green on this. Do we need that? I don't know. Let's see. Don't need seats. Who needs rear seats? Exterior. Yeah, I need sunroof for cruising down the Autobahn. Carbon fiber roof is nice, but I'd rather have the sunroof, honestly. Aero kit, you know it. Looks kind of cool, actually. Looks more modern with that. Sport design. Oh, I'd remove stuff, though. Let's see how this looks. Oh, I can't do that. Do I want this? Oh, I do. Yeah, you gotta get that. Oh, you can't add that on there. What else do I want? Alright, performance, here's the good stuff. Yeah, for sure the manual will keep that. Rear axle steering, oh that might be cool. Alright, let's go with the lights. What do we have? Comfort now. Surround view. Guess not. Cruise control is a must. Guess I'm not getting that. Interior. Fine with what I have. Lizard green Corona though. Yeah, let's get that, remove the other one. Leather. I don't really care about this too much. Interior race tech. Okay, here we go. Sun visors. If possible, let's add all these. Kinda cool. Perfect track day car. Carbon. I think I could do some better carbon, like doing it myself or at like a shop. You know, something unique. Audio. You need some good sound. European delivery. Let's do Leipzig, Germany. I love their test track. Sure. Yep. Wheels. Already did this. Snow chains. Alright, let's go off-roading. That's pretty much all. Alright, let's see how it looks. Oh, I like that. I really like that wing though. Reminds me of the old school GT3 wing from a few generations ago. Oh, the green chrono though. Love that. That's weird. That's kind of in lizard greenish, but the paint isn't. Paint is Python green. Oh. So I think that's all. Here's the technical data. Top speed of 291. I'd love to test that on the Autobahn. That'd just be crazy. So here's the options. There you go. Thanks for checking it out. Here's the total price. $171,498 in American funds. So I'm in Canada now, so this would be almost double here if you can even get it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please subscribe.